The ethical uniqueness, its inherent beauty begins with transparency in nature. Carving the poem in clouds became rain and wet the earth. The pieces of light that make life with a curved surface. The silhouette starts a cycle. The infinite space of the soul. Meditation becomes music. Music becomes fantasy. The fantasy is, with you, to the real world. The evolving imagination, freedom of thought, endless gallop. The beauty that shines like a flame is new every day in the absence. Parametric pixel, that positive energy, regenerated inspiration and confidence infinitely. The passion of the red light, the pureness of warmth, the uniqueness of nature. Here is the completion of the eternal cycle. It announces its ontological birth. Electrified streamliner, IONIQ 6.